Today I will present 5 journal articles related to my topic, which is the effect of digital reading on students' reading comprehension. All of the journals I'll use are indexed in Scopus. I have checked them through the Schema website, which is commonly used to verify whether a journal is indexed and to see its ranking and also the credibility. The first article is titled Digital Reading Comprehension Instruction for Children with English as an Additional Language by Murphy and Arcuri, published in the Journal of Research in Reading. The study used a systematic review method. The researchers collected and analyzed many previous studies about digital reading, and the main finding shows that digital reading can improve reading comprehension, but the effect is not strong and sometimes only a small effect. This is relevant to my research topic because it examines how digital reading affects reading comprehension, and the result shows a small positive but inconsistent effect. The second article is titled Assessing Children's Reading Comprehension on Paper and Screen by Stoll, Megan, and Skriper, published in Computers and Education. This study used an experimental method, and students here read text on paper and on screen, then answered the comprehension questions. And the result shows that the student understand better when reading on paper, and digital reading gives lower comprehension scores. And this study is relevant to my research because it examines the effect of digital reading on reading comprehension, and the result in this study is showing a negative effect. And the third article is titled Relation Between Digital Tool Practice and Reading Comprehension Scores by Salmeron and others, published in Reading and Writing Journal. This study used quantitative data analysis, and the researchers used test scores and questionnaires about digital tool use. And the findings show that frequent use of digital tools is related to lower reading comprehension, but some activities can give small positive effects. This study is also relevant to my research because it examines the effect of digital reading on reading comprehension, and the results show a mixed effect depending on how digital tools are used. And the fourth article is titled The Inattentive on Screen Reading by Delgado and Salmeron, published in Learning and Instruction Journal. This study uses an experimental method. Students read text on screen and paper under different conditions, including time pressure. The results show that students have lower comprehension when reading on screen, especially under time pressure, because they lose the focus. And this study is relevant to my research because it examines the effect of digital reading on reading comprehension, and the results show a negative effect, especially under time pressure conditions. And the fifth article, which is the last one, is titled Children's Reading Comprehension and Motivation on Screen versus on Paper by Liman Kaban and Kara Dennis, published in SAG Open. This study used a quasi-experimental method. When students read using different formats such as e-books and printed books, and completed tests and questionnaires, the findings show that digital reading increases motivation, but there is no significant difference in reading comprehension. This study is relevant to my research because it examines the effect of digital reading on reading comprehension, and the result shows no significant effect on comprehension. All 5 articles show different results. Some studies show the positive effect and some show negative effects, and some others show no great effect. This means the effect of digital reading on reading comprehension is still unclear. Therefore, this research is important to give a clearer understanding of this topic. And that's all for my explanation for the article that related to my topic. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.